Aden Defense Minister, when you said I'm a strong Muslim leader, my very good friend Mohammed, Captain of Skyward, laughed in disagreement. You know, Captain, Your Excellency, the Prime Cabinet Secretary and others, all protocols observed. Wajua watu wengi hawajui mimi nikisimama siku hizi huwa nawakilisha chama. Isajia alikuja akasema mambo ya SUPKEM. Jamia. Wakaja wengine wakasema mambo ya ile shirika ambayo wako. Na mimi ndio Vice Chairman wa UDA. In future when you come for this iftar, I will keep a registration desk. Uingie, uregister kama member. We want to build our base in this party so that we make it not only competitive or dynamic, so that we can participate fully in the politics of this country and effectively. The president has put us in a very good space of late. Young people have been appointed katika ile mambo ambayo we never anticipated. Key and strategic ministries and departments are today under our leadership. We must now own this government and make sure that as we look forward to the future, sisi tuweze kuiconsolidate. Nimeona wehelia hapa leo Gabo DIG huyu kabla hajatoka leo register hapo kama UDA. So we are grateful. So as I said, and the second issue I wanted to talk about, wajua sisi pia we must now move out from the cage of minority. Tujaribu kuji-externalize in terms of our impact and power. Nitakuja siku moja tuongelee the power of the 16 counties that we had a small caucus that tried to whip up the vote so that we can galvanize that constituency. It constitutes about 5 million votes as at last election. It will be 6 or 7 million. And alhamdulillah, not only do they have numbers, but we could also mobilize resources. Ya pili, ni ndugu yetu Raila Odinga. Mimi najua nilikuwa mkereketwa na yeye. Sasa mimi nimemwacha yeye kwa barabara, mimi niko State House. And I can tell you for a fact, two things. Mr. President, when we were debating the Constitution, it was supposed to bring political hygiene and constitutional stability. That's why we said people will not be sworn at night. That's why we gave systems and institutions to work. That's why we created a process of transition. Yote ikafanyika. Akaja baada miezi 6-7 when he realized that the William Ruto government is putting in measures to ensure that we revive the economy and put Kenyans at a better place. Akasema ako na whistleblower against all public institutions. Mr. President, you have told us many times that he's an elder statesman and you want him to retire dignified. But let him not test our will beyond what he has done. It is important we break this cycle by somebody who is the biggest threat and an affront to our constitution, our democracy. He has continued this cycle. He does it with unabated impunity. It is high time that we put a stop to it so that hata sisi wengine tukija kuwa huko baadaye tukishinda Winnie, so that Winnie does not say the election was stolen. He has institutionalized it in ODM. He has institutionalized it everywhere. Hii mambo lazima tumalizane nayo once and for all. I can see senior counsel has nodded his head in agreement. And that means, Excellency, that means that challenge you must take with a lot of concern in the sense that Kenyans want you to govern this country. Kenyans elected you. Ya mwisho ni kuwatakia Eid Mubarak. Nimeshukuru sana nyote muko hapa. Na inshallah mutatuona mimi na Aden na wengine katika county zenu, because our mandate is also to build our political base and constituency. Kwa hayo mengi, God bless you na muende salama.